Welcome back to MS Car Reviews. Today we're looking at something truly extraordinary, a vehicle that is rewriting the rules of luxury travel and design. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Maybach Motorhome, a machine that blends Lamborghini's supercar DNA with Maybach's ultra-luxury comfort, all wrapped into the practicality of a rolling palace. It's not just transportation, it's a statement on wheels. The first thing that captures your attention is the exterior. This isn't your typical RV, it looks like a futuristic yacht on wheels. The front end is sharp and aggressive, clearly inspired by Lamborghini's aerodynamic styling, but elevated with Maybach's chrome accents and premium touches. Sleek LED headlights and vertical daytime running lights give it a commanding presence. The massive front grille shows authority, while the body lines flow with surprising aerodynamic efficiency. Riding on custom 26-inch alloy wheels, the stance is powerful and refined. Even the small details like flush door handles and side cameras instead of mirrors underline its exclusivity. The metallic paintwork, polished to a mirror sheen, ensures this motorhome never goes unnoticed. Step inside and you enter what feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a motorhome. The interior combines the best materials in the world: Italian hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber, and exotic wood veneers. Soft ambient lighting creates an inviting atmosphere, while the cockpit echoes a Lamborghini supercar with its digital cluster, squared steering wheel, and performance-inspired switches, all scaled to fit this rolling mansion. The living space offers lounge seating that transforms into full beds. Entertainment is unmatched with a massive 8K OLED screen, Burmester surround sound, and full smart integration. The kitchen is fitted with high-end appliances, including an induction stove, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in wine cellar. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa, finished with marble and a rainfall shower. At the rear, the master suite boasts a king-size bed, panoramic windows, and a private dressing area. Every inch has been designed for comfort and indulgence, right down to the curated fragrance system. Performance is where Lamborghini's DNA shines through. Beneath the sculpted body lies a hybrid powertrain combining a V12 engine with electric motors, producing over 1,200 horsepower. Despite its size, this motorhome accelerates with astonishing smoothness. Adaptive suspension and active aerodynamics ensure stability and comfort, while Maybach engineering keeps noise and vibrations nearly absent. With an advanced all-wheel drive system and multiple driving modes, it's equally at home cruising highways or tackling mountain roads. Of course, exclusivity has a price. The Lamborghini Maybach Motorhome starts at around $3.5 million, with bespoke customizations easily pushing it past $5 million. This is not built for the average traveler, but for those who demand the ultimate blend of mobility, luxury, and power. In the end, the 2026 Lamborghini Maybach Motorhome is a masterpiece on wheels. Bold, extravagant, and unlike anything else on the road, it redefines what it means to travel in style. For those who can afford it, this isn't just transportation, it's the future of luxury living on the move. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and riding in style. Do share your valuable feedback in the comments. Thank you all very much for your love and support.